Good morning, everybody, and we are back. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, and my name is Mr. Colger. I will be your anchor today on the WRRD News. Thank you for tuning in. First, may we all pause for a moment of silence. Now, can everyone please join me in standing and taking your right hand, putting it on your chest for the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In local news, today is the first day of school for you, for me, students, teachers, everybody. Let's all promise to do our best to get into the Google Meets, to meet our new teachers, and to learn all the information they may have for us. I know sometimes it can be confusing and sometimes it can be hard, but as long as we all stay positive, it will all work out. That's the plan. Also, we have meals available for pickup at Rolling Ridge from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, Monday through Friday. Please make sure you go and get your meals. Now, in local weather, today will be partly cloudy with a high of 87 and a low of 67. Next, let's join for Tuesday's Tech Tips with Mr. Harbert.
I hope you're happy to be back. I am Mr. Harbert, and I'm going to show you a little bit about navigating in Schoology. Okay, so a lot of your teachers have set up cool little buttons in their Schoology courses. These are just pictures here, they look like, but if you click on them, they actually take you to different places. So this one says Google Meet, and if I want to go to my Google Meet with my teacher, I know to click that, and it will open up Google Meet in a new window. And I sign in with my student ID and my Google account, and I'm in. This is LCPS Go, Kids A to Z. Some of these link directly to other classrooms in Schoology. So this one links to Mrs. Harbert's first grade reading classroom. So when it's time for your reading class, she might want you to come here. To do that, you can do that right from your homepage in Schoology. Now, if you're not quite sure how to get to your homepage, when you first log in, it might look something a little bit like this. You might have a whole bunch of stuff here. All right. The best thing you can do is find one that says your teacher's name. All right. But if you get lost, you can always click courses right up here. And your teachers are going to show you a way to make sure that their homeroom shows up on this. All right. But again, if you ever get lost, click courses and click my courses. And you can see every course that you're in. I'm in a whole bunch of different courses. You probably don't have this many. But if I need to find Mrs. Harbert's language arts room, I see, GR1 language arts right here. And I click on that and I can go right into that classroom. Okay. So just remember, these things up here are great buttons, especially this courses button. If you click it, this pops up and you should be able to get back to your home room from up here. Okay. So please let me know if you have any questions and have a great day. Welcome back, Roadrunners.
Today's question of the day is from Phoebe in my homeroom. Her question is, Mr. Colger, I know metals are magnetic, but sometimes when I put a magnet on things, it does not stick. Why is that? Phoebe, to answer your question, there are only 3 types of metals that are magnetic: iron, cobalt, and nickel. A metal must have one of those 3 metals inside of it for it to be magnetic. If it doesn't, then the magnet will not stick. I hope that answers your question. Lastly, let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. I hope everybody has a great first day.
At Rolling Ridge, bully free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity.